about to go kayaking. I probably should have gone for a toilet beforehand and not just drank a big Red Bull before, but there we go, shit happens.
So what?
So I just had a Red Bull. Probably a bit stupid idea.
Oh, you had a Red Bull?
Yeah, because I'm going to need a piss in it.
Yeah.
Well, listen, I'll channel it into adrenaline. Yeah, this one was asleep as well, so.
Oh, it was knocked off.
Yeah.
I was gone.
He was gone. So yeah, getting ready and that's it. Kayak. These are the privileged people who get to spend $250. Very privileged people. Because as I say, not every trip to Antarctica actually offers this as an activity, you know. So there you go. So again, comparative analysis, almost complete. This is them like doing the operation before we normally go out, I think. So they go out and do all the prep, and then we just walk out, and there's like flags and shit, and we just like do what we're told. But they've already set it up, and that's them getting ready to set it up. So, you know, that's what I'll be doing next year when I work here. Because I listened to the penguin talk, and I was giving an educational talk to everyone on the Zodiac today. Wasn't I? I was. So I'm ready now. Fully trained. I just need to do a job application. Yeah, probably like marry an Argentinian. This makes it a bit easier.
Showtime!
Showtime.
Wave, Tyrone. Wave.
Oh, hey, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I didn't hear you.
Here we are. We come right up to a nest. Wow, it's amazing. Look. We're in Paradise Bay, and it really is a paradise, ain't it?
This does not seem real.
No. Shit.
Hear the glacier calving.
Yeah.
Always can hear this noise. The glacier calving. Broken. Breaking.
Yeah, there's so many breaks in there.
Like, I don't think I want to go back on this ship. I want to do this all day.
Yeah.
Just like.
Yeah, very nice.
Bloody hell.
Americans from Palmer Station. It's not that far from here. So they took them back to the station, and it was kind of a plan to start to to war
Yeah.
because they need to be evacuated.
Yeah.
So then Argentinians came and brought them back to Argentina because they need to renovate the station, rebuild the buildings and stuff.
Hello. Hello. We did it, didn't we?
We did it.
So, yeah.
It's done.
Yeah. I can't remember what I was going to say, but yeah, that was it really. And we just saw a whale.
Right in front of us.